In today's episode, we're going to be working on this coffee station. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hot. That's the mic. Hello, everyone. I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, I'm on a roll today. So if you see this shirt in about 3 other videos, I did some batch filming today. So now it's summertime. I know I'm late, but better late than never. So I'm going to clean off this mess. Yeah, it's a mess. And I am going to get it set up for summer. So if you want to see how it all turns out, keep watching. Are you ready for the reveal? Now my coffee station, I try to go budget friendly. Now the wooden and marble cutting board, I wish I'd have got 2, but I didn't. I'm looking for another one. Now the wooden beads in the flower and on the canister, they are from Hobby Lobby. Now the honey container that looks like a beehive, I've had that for years. I found that thrifting one year. The only other thing to do is the bee sign here on the podium. And then the wooden easel that it's on, that's from my mom. And the coffee mugs, they came from the Dollar Tree, of course. I wish they hadn't put the words in it, but I still think they're cute. And then I did put a placemat underneath the coffee station and the cup holder. I wanted to give it a little balance since I put the cutting board under the other one. But I am going to purchase another round one to go on the other side. So I tried to keep it as no spend as possible. So tell me what you think of my coffee station down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments. And of course, I will catch you in the next episode.